Hi, my name is Taherrah McQueen. I'm from Atlantic City. I'm a mother of 5 children and a granddog. My journey has been not a straight path. I aged out of diapers. I had a full ride, but unfortunately, I didn't really take it seriously. I experienced homelessness, which forced me to reflect and just take a step back and reflect on life and my future. I obtained my CDL, but I wanted to pursue a medical field. I earned my medical assistant, my EKG tech, and my phlebotomy license. Shortly after, I joined LP in school and figured out the school wasn't a good fit for me. At one point, I felt like college wasn't for me, but I knew that I had to try again. I came to Atlantic Cape Community College where I felt a sense of belonging, and I made a commitment that this is where I'm going to be and I'm going to make the best of it. I got involved with programs. I really took advantage of all the opportunities that was really available to me. I worked with one of the programs, which is the EOF program at Atlantic Cape. It has been nothing short of amazing. The professors, the staff truly became my coworkers and mentors. Today I attend Rutgers University, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree, hopefully to graduate in the spring of 27. I want to leave y'all with this one takeaway. Take a step out on faith. Step outside your comfort zone, make them connections. It's never too late to start over. Come to Atlantic Cape, find me, find anyone, and become the change that y'all want to be. It's never too late. Thank you.